I'm Jacob Lauzier. I'm the CTO and co-founder of MachineMetrics. As the CTO, I manage my team of engineers and make sure that we're using the best technology that we possibly can to provide our customers with value. We're the industry's first AI-driven machine monitoring and predictive analytics platform for discrete manufacturers and machine builders. Machine shops, particularly in the discrete space, they're often run by gut feel. People on the floor don't necessarily know what their production standards need to be. They don't know where they are in meeting their goals. One of the functionalities of MachineMetrics in providing real-time access to this data that's usually trapped in the silo of these $100,000, million-dollar pieces of equipment spread across shop floors, across regions, or across the globe. They're not providing that insight in a holistic way. We joined the APN about 9 months ago, and since then we've seen the tremendous value that the sales network can provide us. We were able to meet with a bunch of system architects when we were at Hannover Messe. Being able to have them see our technology and really give us advice on which pieces of technology might be better or worse suited for us, that was really helpful. Partnering with AWS has really validated our space in the digital factory. Being part of the APN, we can go to customers not just by ourselves, but as a network of really great tools that can come together and provide a holistic solution for our customers. And by making it super easy for us to connect to these machines, making it possible for our customers to connect to these machines and stream that data to our cloud, we can provide real-time insights so that they can make decisions based on real data and not just their gut.